This is the gen house where the indoor installations are going to take place. This is existing electrical installations here. So we will unbox them all now. These are the charge controllers, Felicity charge controller, 100 amps Felicity charge controller. As you can see, yeah, it's clearer here now. This is very, very effective. I've been using it for a while now. Felicity products are very, very effective, more especially the charge controllers. They track very well. I think they rank one of the best. So I'm unboxing it now. Let me take it down to avoid damage. So, as you can see, this is beautiful. It's beautiful. The same way we're going to unbox the second one. The installation is going to have 2 charge controllers so that it can be able to contain the amount of panels that we will be installing. It's a system that will be having a 24 pieces of 550 watts short half-cut panels and 100 controller, 100 amps controller cannot carry it. That's why we're having 2, so that we'll have a better reception for a better production of solar energy. Okay, this is the giant Africell lithium battery. A 15.3 kilowatts battery. I'm going to unbox it now to see what is inside and commence with its installation. Yeah. Man, this is huge. First, a good one there. Very good and sleeky design. Okay, it's a tall boy with its legs, so we'll have to bring it out and stand it. Oh yeah, the tall boy has been completely unboxed. So just position it here for now until when we are ready to make the connections, until we are repositioned properly. The other installations are ongoing. Mounted the 2 Felicity 100 amps charge controllers. We're on it. Just stay with us, be with us, and you see how this system is being connected and powered up. So this is the panels, 12 packets of 550 watts, giving it a total of 24 pieces of 550 watts panels, a totaling 13.2 kilowatts of solar energy to be produced. 24 panels of 550 watts solar panels, half cut, divided into 2 circuits, 6,600 watts per circuit, 12 panels to be generating solar energy through 1 charge controller, while the other 12 panels will be generating solar energy through the other charge controller. So 2 circuits, 2 charge controllers, 12 panels per charge controller, 6,600 watts per charge controller, giving you a total of 13,200 watts, 13.2 kilowatts of solar energy generation installed, completed, ready to be commissioned. Thank you. Yeah, we have commenced the cabling of the devices. Inverter, your Carport, 10 kV already mounted. The 2 charge controllers, 100 amps each, already mounted. Breakers and SPDs already mounted. The turbo Cell 15.3 kilowatts lithium battery already in this place, awaiting cabling. The MCCB 125 amps breaker for the battery already in place. So the cabling is underway. There is also an open classic changeover 200 amps here, which will be used as an additional control to serve as an isolator for the inverter output supply, supplying the load. While the breakers are there doing their own jobs, the changeover there will act as an isolator in case of any service time. Yeah, internally, as you can see, the cabling is ongoing, close to 90% to 95% completed. Almost done. The trunking done as well. This is the 2 charge controllers, 100 amps each. We're receiving a maximum of 150 volts DC. This is the Carport inverter, 10 kV inverter. Also, this is a preset turbo. Let's call it turbo. Preset 15 kilowatts, 15.3 even, 15.3 kilowatts lithium battery. Our chambers here are still undergoing connections. As you can see, this is the MCCB for the battery. To go through this way, this trunk here is the one receiving the public power supply to charge the battery through the inverter, and the supply goes through this trunk down here to this particular hardware changeover, and also connect to the trunk there as well, to the heart as well. Alright, yeah, the installation has been powered on for a test run, and the load has been loaded. So we are grateful that our system is operational very well, operating very well. At first instance, there was no hitch, there was no problem. We thank God for our efforts and God's grace above all. You can see the systems. This is the inverter. Yes, at 6% load at the moment. 52 volts system as battery. Yeah. Then charge controller. We are having 53%. 53 volts battery and 96 volts from the panel at about 211 watts. Now the second panel, second controller, about the same thing, 92, 91 volts voltage. So our system has come up. So it's for us to forward and allow the battery to charge full for the first time, and then tidy up the whole place. And after that, we commission and then hand over the equipment and installations to let's see the battery. It's all battery, so very great.